Hello viewers, I hope you all guys are doing well. It's another part of the comparison between short term, medium term and the long term loan. Best for those who need a quick infusion of the cash. Not to be confused with the categorizing of the various business loans type based on the term length we have done throughout this page. This refers to the specific loan product offer used to fill in the immediate short-term need for the capital. These types of the loans can be structured as either short-term business loans or the medium-term and have a predetermined payment schedule. Because this is a very general type of the business loan, it's important to check with the lending institution you have working, as a language can vary from one to the another regarding the loan term, and another specifies similarly to the unsecured business loans is that they are a lump sum of the cash. Term loan may be even more like traditional bank loans. That's because they typically require some kind of the hard collateral such as the liquid saving or the property. The upside to this is that these loans tend to be very quick and easy to acquire, and you can use the funds for virtually any business need. Long-term business loan financing. Long-term business financing loans tend to be a category of their own. None of the medium or the short-term loans you have mentioned thus you usually have theme above 5 years. So those loans are other type of the business financing that are not unique among business loans offering for more than one reason. The most common type of the long-term loan is include SBA loans. SBA loans are loans offered by the Small Business Association in partnership with a lender. What makes SBA loans unique in the SBA guarantees their loan with the lenders it works with. As a result, lenders are able to pass on low rate and interest. SBA loans can have shorter terms, short term as 1 year in some cases. However, they tend to have much longer repayment terms depending on the loan product, lender and the borrower qualifications. Traditional banks loan. The most well known of the business loan type, you will still walk down to your local bank branches and obtain a loan. However, although bank loans are required by the FDIC, they are not as attractive as they once were. Since the financial crisis, banks have some much strict about who they approved and what they required for those that apply. In addition to this, compared to some private lenders, banks move much slower and they require to a loan paperwork. It can take 1+ month just for the approval in most cases. Equity funding. The final type of the long-term business funding in equity funding. With equity funding, others invest in your business through a variety of the means. Typically, a firm will hold an investor fund for up to 10 years in a variety of the stock companies of your choice. During with case depending on the type of the funding, you will then either repay the loan or do nothing if it's an investment. What can you see a short-term loan or the medium-term loan to pay for? So that you want to use a medium-term or a short-term business loan for. As the types of the loan have a different uses. Some type of a business loan have a very niche user. For instance, equipment financing can only be used to purchase equipment that the business will use. However, in general, most type of the business loans, wherever short-term loan, the medium-term loan can be used for the virtually anything. Here are the few ways you can working capital you get from a short-term or the medium-term business loan. New hires, employment training, inventory purchases, expanding or additional location, equipment purchasing and the upgrades, payroll, catching up on outstanding expenses, and much more.